Welcome to Kim Fixes Things. Today we're working on a 1961 Studebaker Lark. This is going to be all content and no fluff. We're going to show you, the steps that we go through to troubleshoot. Actually, make it happen. Okay, so I got a whole assortment of little nitpickers here because what's wrong is this is rusty and it's not letting it close. See, the points should move, they should snap, and they're not. We got to get it where it'll come off of this post. So we're going to pry at it and hopefully not break anything. And now we're taking the bad parts from two broken Studebakers and trying to make one broken Studebaker. Junk. That's all we do around here is work on junk. It's always a struggle. There's always somebody who will tell you, you can't, you can't, no, you can't, that won't work, yada, 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 give up. Gumption. Do what makes you happy, stay with it a little bit. There's going to be bumps in the road. Nothing worthwhile usually comes very easily. Well, for goodness sakes. On to brute force. Bring the brute force. Give a good grab of it. Another distributor all apart. Don't get too frustrated. Look at that beautiful Presto Light tag. It's really cute. Anyways, it's covering up a bunch of dirt. Ugh. All greasy, it's getting in our nails, and we're looking butch today, guys. Very butch. There's our mechanical advance. You see, that's all free and functioning like it looks like it should, right and left. So that's nice. This shaft is supposed to be stationary, and the points are supposed to move on that. So that's part of where our problem is arising. Hold this and see if I can get this to break off. Wonderful. Yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to do. Mopar, what are you doing to me? My kingdom for a crappy distributor. What do you do at this point? Got a little bit of separation. We're getting somewhere. So there's a metal sleeve on there that we got to file off, I guess. I crushed it repeatedly with the pliers. There it is. That's the base part that I needed. It's got a good screw hole and a good post. Damn, that was rough. From the other distributor, and we're just going to use a razor knife, and we're going to. So luckily we had one that's not all messed up. Cleaned up that post. We're going to be back in business. I'm going to assemble this off camera and I'll bring you back. We'll stab it in and see if we can get things to do what they're supposed to do. Some patience and time. We've got our Presto Light distributor back together. Cleaned up just a tiny bit. These open and close, that's excellent. And we want them to open just for a fraction. We want them to dwell. See, a lot of that rotation, they don't even move. And we just want to pop. That's when you get your fire right there at the end. Want to gap it at 20, and that's going to give us hopefully the proper, that's what it said on the interweb. Now that everything moves freely and is clean, this is a breeze. Fire! Yeah! If I could do this without blocking your light or your view. That was beautiful. Oh yeah. I hope you saw that because it was wonderful. The points are moving, spark is flying. 3 plugs in, 3 plugs out. 24 volts for starting and 12 volts for the coil. Rebuilt distributor. Unknown carburetor condition, but the bowl should be a little bit filled. And 3, 2, 1. It fired once! What I'm going to do now is put the other spark plugs in. Pull number 1. Figure out, I'll stick something down in there so that I could feel when it comes up. Just going to try and figure out something about where the distributor is supposed to be, because it's so far off that I can't just crank. Everything is lined up really, really rough. So, it's better than the nothing and unknowns. I don't think I have the distributor out 180. I use this drill bit down the hole, and I can feel the top of the piston there. And as I turn, it goes up and down. So that's how I verified where this is. We're going to see, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put all the spark plugs in. Heck yeah, let's do it. I know some of these plugs might be good, plug wires might be garbagey. That could be part of the problem. Pretty sure this plug goes here because it's the shortest one. Once we get more than one piston firing, she'll just go. She wants to go now. That one's a little bit loose. Much better. I'm just going finger tight with these plugs right now because I can. Because the wrench is over there and I want it to run. And until it does something, there's no point in getting all fancy about, whoa, put them in torque pounds. Give me something. I'm working hard. All right, work with me here. Let's see something. Make it happen. See what the resistance is on these damn wires. Trash. Some of these wires. It doesn't even make any sense. We gotta find a set of wires that aren't trash. I went through the wires. I don't know if I fixed anything or not. I went through all the wires, I checked resistance, I picked out the good ones. I couldn't get a reading from them, I was reading the meter wrong. I don't know. Oh, for goodness gracious. I didn't have trouble with this before. Power for you. How did that happen? Oh, oop. Well, that'd be why. This wire here was exposed, and it was backfeeding through. God, I have no idea what the hell was happening there, but it wasn't good. Let's take a time out. I don't even know how that happens. Woo! Still nothing. The absence of real electrical tape, because blue tape is not electrical tape, but it is temporary. It will do its job of me not burning it down. Go, 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 go! Really? Is that your answer to me? Is no. No. But I don't want to be princess. I don't even know what to do next.